Student, this lecture is for 7th class student. Today we will discuss exercise question from chapter 3rd, page number 22. Comprehension skills. Student, word meaning you will write from your textbook. Words and meanings are given here. Yes, memories, words in use. Write word meaning from your textbook. First part, fill in the blanks. Anukul Babu was a judge. Right here, judge, Judge. Second, a group of men went to river in search, Search. A group of men went to river in search of child. Group of men रिवर पर क्यों गए थे? बच्चे की सर्च करने के लिए, तलाश करने के लिए. अनुकुल बाबू's wife thought her son has been sold. अनुकुल बाबू की वाइफ ने सोचा कि उसके बेटे को क्या किया गया है? बेच दिया गया है. सोल्ड, SOLD. नेक्स्ट, फलन was always found looking at and taking care of his hair at a mirror. MIRROR. मिरर. फलन हमेशा ही अपने आप को मिरर के सामने देखता था और अपने बालों का बड़ी टेक केयर करता था. फलन आस्क्ड अनुकुल बाबू टू डैश रायचरण एंड स्टार्ट हिज डैश टू फॉरगिव. फलन ने अपने अनुकुल बाबू से क्या कहा? टू फॉरगिव, FORGIVE, फॉरगिव रायचरण एंड स्टार्ट हिज पेंशन, PENSION, पेंशन. नेक्स्ट, रायचरण said, Master, I haven't committed any crime. Committed means dedicated, accept करना, COMMITTED. रायचरण ने कहा कि मैंने कोई भी अपराध स्वीकार नहीं किया है, या मैंने कोई अपराध नहीं किया है. नाउ बी पार्ट, चूज द राइट विद करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट वन, अनुकुल बाबू वाज, we have options headmaster, police officer and judge. Right answer is judge. Second, the child was lost near the river of Prayas, Yamuna, Satluj. Right answer is A, Parya. Raichan was caring, hardworking, obedient. He was hardworking. He was obedient also. फलन always fight with his father for. फल अपने पापा के साथ हमेशा क्यों लड़ता था? For his pocket money. B right answer. रायचरण hand over फलन to her sister villagers अनुकुल बाबू. Right answer is अनुकुल बाबू. रायचरण ने फलन किसको हैंड ओवर कर दिया था? अनुकुल बाबू को. रायचरण begged that he has not done any crime. C part, write true or false. Which is right or which is wrong? First one, Raicharan sold his land for Phalan's education. This one right or wrong? Yes, Raicharan sold his land for Phalan education. This is true. Next, Anukul Babu was transferred to near river Parya. Also true. Third, Raicharan's wife took care of Phalan. क्या रायचरण की वाइफ ने उसकी टेक केयर किया था? नो, इट्स रॉन्ग। राइट मीन्स फॉल्स। अनुकुल बाबू's wife had doubts that Raicharan has sold his son. This is right. I mean true. Next, Anukul Babu did not accept Phalan as his son. It's wrong because he accepted Phalan as his son. You can write false here. False. Phalan was not angry with Raicharan. It's also false because he was angry with Raicharan for what he had done, that had been kept in discomfort for such a long time. Now, D part, answer the following questions. First one is, what happened when child insisted to have bunch of flower? जब बच्चे ने bunch of flower का जो गुच्छा था उसको लेने की insist means जिद किया, तब क्या हुआ? What happened? First question, what happened when child insisted to have bunch of flower? Answer is Raicharan Charan Raicharan went inside the water and started plucking flowers for the child. Then the child got off the car and went to the bank of the river and started started and started playing with the waves. Second question, what were the three evidence to show that Raicharan master's son has born as his son? Answer is, the three evidence evidence, three evidences are given below. Firstly, first of all, after the young master's death, after the young master's death, comma, a child was born. This is first evidence. Secondly, 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 his wife had grown old and there was no hope of a child being born. Thirdly, 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 the way the child used to talk and behave were like young master used to be. So student, till here read, learn and write all this work in your notebook. Thank you.